We have now in the person of Sri Dinganlung Gangmei, IAS retired, Chairman Hill Area Committee, our chief guest. Sir, please.
I'm quite humble and honored to be part of this program where lots of eminent speakers and VIPs and civil society leaders and the patriots, hardcore Laungdilat, Zeliangrong brothers and sisters are present. The significance and importance of these events, or the language, or we can say the dialect of Laungdilat Khuang, has been stressed succinctly by the previous speakers, and the historical issues we face and the kind of political development which is happening in our midst today. In this juncture, is such a noble exercise taken by Laungdilat Commission. And really I appreciate, I really thank you all for taking such a pain, not only time and energy, but even in financial resources. So we haven't contributed anything as an elected person for this project. But when it has come the time for releasing this, you have remembered us. Thank you so much. And our community, whether we like it or not, let's accept the reality that we are spread, we are scattered in 3 different states. Even within the states also, we are segregated in different sub-tribes. So the tribalism and this factionalism is one of the greatest enemy of the unity of Zeliangrong Laungdilat people. And it is quite encouraging to see the kind of development has taken place in front of us. The Zeliangrong consciousness, the Laungdilat consciousness in Delhi, in Pune, in Mumbai, in different parts of India, in different parts of the country, apart from Manipur, Nagaland and Assam. It's quite encouraging. And now with this kind of literature, and I was told by Sai Gantao, LP Golmei, that this is not a new language. This is already existed, but we are unifying it, and we are trying to present it to the future generations so that they can study and they can communicate to each other. Hey, kai Manipur ko ba minon ke? Ako Manipur da lay lumising. Kama Kabi Mother Association may allow nung boy ka. Angang sing future generations sing study to ka black and white appear ga. Ako'y amakatani ngang lay basi. Makoy long di dagilak pa ni ako'y je may liang may rong may ngang mas rupa sa black and white at hamaga. Ako'y sa kiyamo common lay gay hay basi. Ako'y manabag kiyam ako'y language da ako'y dialect lay hay sa study to roga. Ako'y how's it face to what problems say future generations amok face to the ningay. As Paul Ingam has said, the exercise what we are taking today is for better future. Tomorrow will be better than today. The kind of hope we give to our future generation. Adugumba exercise ang ako'y tawag ni. The language ki importance ako'y Paul Ingam na fazana high re. Aduna ako'y se tam dabayade. So we have to reconnect, and such committed, in particular, how mighty they may be. And see, when we speak about Zeliangrong, I really respect the sentiments of our Impui brothers and sisters. And the Rongdimei concept, I really appreciate it. But we have some political issues regarding the issue. So it will take time, as Paul Mani has said, we need to have patience to understand each other, to learn and appreciate each other. We need to have patience. And the book we have today also, we need to read. We need to learn. For that we need patience. And it can be improved upon. This is not a static thing or rigid book. We can improve upon. I think the Commission is welcoming all the types of criticisms and suggestions and advices. And Laungdilat Citizen Forum will be very happy, I think, to get all those feedbacks. And especially the kind of development which we have seen even in 2012 also. Instead of unifying as one community, whether we like it or not, we have broken it down into from Kabui, Rongmei, Kabui, and Inpui, from Kachanaga, Liangmei, Gaidinliu. So let's celebrate this kind of speciality we have in our community. So everybody is free to call Kabui, Rongmei, Gaidinliu, Liangmei, Kachanaga, Inpui in one community of one common origin, having, let's say, 7 kind of recognized nomenclature. It's very lucky for us. So all these differences, let's not bog it down and let's not surrender. Our effort, and as Apau Ingam has said, and it will have a logical conclusion. Let's hope for the best, and I wish all the LCF to come out with a sentence form so that we can learn, we can communicate in a buzzer language, or we can communicate through whatever form we may be. And I was told by Apau Ingam that it will come out very soon. And I just saw one book which I have seen before by John, that SZSU people also have translated in Rongmei, Liangmei, and Golmei and Inpui. 4 languages in certain sentences. So we are also trying our best. And with Sai, Pozelong and Gu and all these things we have discussed about, for communicating, we like to bring one booklet in buzzer language, just like Nang Hok Tuta Kangso Sa Tan Ho Kai Lian Lian Radena Salomai Luk Radan Akha Zeliangrong speaking form ko. And this is a little bit advanced form, but buzzer language ko. Anyway, buzzer language sa ako'y tuwiningai. Ako'y so that at least in near future means in this 2-3 months, let's start trying to speak, as Paul Mani has said, we should start from today. I don't know, let's not wait for tomorrow. Let's start from today so that we can achieve the target which has been set by LCF, the dreams and aspiration of our forefathers to stay as one. As Paul Ingam has said, our relations are in blood relation, our allegiance, our love, our relationship is all blood-related relationship. So I wish LCF a very successful in this endeavor, and I wish them to improve it upon and to make it as a mass movement sort of from all different sections of society, and especially please enlighten and let's try to invite especially the students and the youths who will be the future pillars of our community to take this movement to a logical conclusion. Thank you so much.